guys, I've made it up here to the Pine Street crossing, and I saw the symbol on down there, and I thought what I saw was a little bit of a glare and a light, and it was this train. I was trying to race up here to catch Amtrak P89 heading southbound, but I know that that train's already probably likely gone past my point already. So I don't think there's no need to try to go after 89. And what looks like we got L640 here coming. I'll check my app to see if where Amtrak really is. It should be gone. He's got a white indicator way down there at the signal tower. Symbol on that train is the CSX L640. The L640 starts off in Sumter, South Carolina, heads north to Florence, South Carolina, which is where it's at now, heading into the train yard where it terminates.